How's it going, guys? 13 Prevail here. Came down to finish the wall around the door here today, and hopefully get up the 16-foot 2x6 for the ridge beam, the ridge pole. I did bring some lumber down yesterday evening, so I do have things I can do down here right now, so I'm gonna get to work. Looks good, tack it. So this is the last wall, the last log for the top. I got a piece here to go as far as here over the window, so I don't have a joint over the window. Then I got a log to go from here over the door, so I don't have a joint over the door. The left side of the door right there, I could tell the floor's dropped a little, settled. So I'm gonna have to bring down a jack, try to bring that up a little bit. It's dropped a good inch and a half. So when I put this log on top now, I'm gonna have a big gap right there until I get that wall lifted back up. But I'll do what I can do today anyway until I get that done. But definitely shooting for the ridge beam and stuff today still. Let's try it again. Okay. Come on. It's too snug. Oh shit. A little too snug, I think I cut this one. Oh well. Get in. Finally. There's the big gap where this wall is settled. I gotta jack this up, get this up flush. Well, that was the worst log that I put in this whole cabin. What a bitch. So the next step for me now is to determine exact center, get those posts up for the ridge beam, and I'm going to put a 2x4 frame on top of the logs and get it nice and square as possible, because these logs, they're all different shapes, they've settled, it's not quite square. So I'm going to get a square, nice square 2x4 frame. 2x4s laid flat, nice and square on top of the logs. And when I get the ridge beam on, then I'll have nice base for the joist to come down from the ridge beam like this to sit on the 2x4s. So here's a little idea what I'm gonna do. Use the log straight up and down right here. Then that 2x6 ridge pole is gonna go across. I'm gonna get another log right here in the center, and then 2x4s from the ridge pole down to the walls, of course. Should be alright, but right now I just got some water boiling so I can get some coffee, a little bite to eat, then back to work. What a day though, running out of daylight already. And next trip down here we'll have this roof framed out, then it's only sheeted over, and get the windows in, and she'll be weather tight anyway. So guys, back down at the cabin today. I got my daughter with me today, Nevaeh. She came down with me yesterday for a little bit there, and we brought down some lumber and stuff, but we brought some more today. Gonna try and get the roof framed out today, but we'll see what happens here. But first things first, I gotta try and jack this up where it's settled. This wall is settled, this one's settled, so it's kind of like this where the door is. So I'm gonna jack this up now and see. Hopefully it works out okay. Okay, I got that jacked up. There's some extra support in there, and close up this gap quite a bit. Still a little gap there, but I'll live with that. So now on to the roof. We'll do a little work on the roof today.
The camera.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can pass in the other one too if you want. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Good job. So we're just boiling some water now. We're gonna have some hot chocolate. Have a little break, get warmed up. Back to work. How's your hot chocolate?
Amazing.
What do you think of Dad's cabin so far?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah.
Taking a long time to build it though, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think of the view?
Amazing.
I know. It'll be nice when it's all done, eh?
Mhm.
Guys, just getting ready to do some work here. Quite the morning down at the cabin, but this is the calm before the storm, because tonight we're getting a big windstorm, snow changing to rain tomorrow. So I want to get some work done here today, because I probably won't get back for a couple of days. But yeah, 110 kilometers of wind tonight, so I want to get these rafters secure. And I've only got about an hour and a half, because I have to go help the ground search and rescue team move some equipment. So not going to get much filming, but I'll give you guys a look before I leave to go home. So catch you guys in a bit. So I bought a bunch of these hurricane brackets. This is what I'm going to use to secure the rafters to the cabin walls. Once again, because of all the wind that I'm going to get here. It's kind of hard to explain the wind, but if you're from Newfoundland or have ever been to Newfoundland, you probably know what I'm talking about. But all the wind I'm going to get from the ocean here, and where I'm so exposed, it's going to get pretty bad up here. So Better be safe than sorry. Yeah, so she's just about ready for sheeting. Gotta get that big window down. That's gonna be a huge project actually, to get that down here on quad. But probably have to recruit a couple buddies for that for sure. But it's gonna be nice when it's all done. Nice warm weather tomorrow. Lots of wind and some rain. So I gotta come down all the stuff that's frozen onto the floor. Old pieces of log and stuff I gotta get off. And yeah. So anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching. Lots more footage to come. Thanks for watching guys, take care.